In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to select this icon of the camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Photos, tap on the photo you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!